Hey kids! Today, we're going to learn about fractions. Have you ever shared a pizza with friends? Or cut a chocolate bar into pieces? That's what fractions are all about. But how do we know which fraction is bigger? Let's find out. A fraction shows a part of a whole. It has two numbers. The top number is called the numerator. It tells us how many parts we have. The bottom number is called the denominator. It tells us how many equal parts the whole is divided into. For example, if we cut a cake into 4 equal pieces and you eat one piece, that's 1/4, 1/4 of the cake. Now, let's compare 1/2 and 1/4. Which one is bigger? Imagine a pizza. If we cut it into 2 big slices, each slice is 1/2. But if we cut it into 4 smaller slices, each slice is 1/4. Which slice is bigger? That's right. 1/2 is bigger than 1/4. The more pieces we cut, the smaller each piece becomes. So, when the denominator, bottom number, is bigger, the fraction is actually smaller. Sometimes, fractions look different but mean the same thing. These are called equivalent fractions. Let's take 1/2 again. If we cut each half into 2 smaller pieces, we now have 2/4. But wait, we still have half of the pizza. We just made more slices. So, 1/2 equals 2/4. That's an equivalent fraction. Here are some more examples. 1/2 equals 2/4 equals 3/6 equals 4/8. 1/3 equals 2/6 equals 3/9. We can multiply or divide both the numerator and denominator by the same number to find equivalent fractions. Let's try a few quick questions. Which is bigger, 3/4 or 2/4? Yes! 3/4 is bigger because it has more parts. How about this? Which fraction is equal to 1/2? A. 2/4. B. 3/4. C. 1/3. That's right. 2/4 is equal to 1/2. Well done. Great job, everyone. Now you know how to compare fractions and find equivalent fractions. Remember, bigger denominators mean smaller pieces. Fractions can look different but be equal. Thanks for learning with us today. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fun math lessons. See you next time.